How to fix the screen dimming issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on battery. Go back and here tap on display and brightness. Now if you have enabled automatic brightness button, then tap on this button to turn it off and adjust your brightness, and after that the screen dimming issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after turning off automatic brightness, then turn off dark mode. So open settings, now tap on display and brightness, and if you have enabled dark mode, then switch back to light mode, and switching back to light mode can help you to fix the screen dimming issue. Now after that, if you are still facing the issue of screen dimming, then try restarting your phone. So to restart your phone, press and hold the side button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, the screen dimming issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen dimming issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.